Hey everyone, just came outside to see it's been raining for the past few days. See if there might be some cats, and they must be hungry and wet in this rain. So, got the torch with me. Let's see if we can find some. It's a bit dark here. We don't see anyone running. Might find some. Oh yeah, there's one here. Psst, 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 psst. Are you hungry? Yeah. She might lead us to the other cats. There's a car coming. And let's see if there are more. It's raining, so they might be hiding somewhere. I just want to feed them. That's all. Oh yeah, there's one more here. And there's one more there too. It's a beautiful brown cat. Must be more hiding in the back somewhere. Well, let's feed them. I'm gonna call them over here, and there might more coming out. So let's see. So this cat is coming close to me now. She must be hungry. And there was one there, and this one is already eating something. I'm sure there are more somewhere. It's just not too sure. Well, anyway. Hey, beautiful, come here. You too. Alright, let's feed them. Just gonna call them. She's already hungry. Come here. Look at that. Look at that. They get scared of cars, but okay. Here we go. Hey, one more showed up. This looks a little younger. Look at that. Look at that. And there's one there too. Alright, maybe I should step back so they can be comfortable eating. I guess that guy is there is the king. Oh, beautiful. Oh, looks like they're triplets. They're all the same cats. Oh, there's one more. 2 different cats. Great. I heard about this location long ago. It's a bit far from me, but I decided to come this weekend, and since it's been raining, so why not just come here and feed some hungry fellas. There's 2 more black cats on the back. It's like a whole town of cats. They just keep coming from nowhere. I just want to make sure they're all good. None of them seems to be injured. So that's good. That's good they're eating. Don't be scared. Just come back and eat. This one is going back somewhere, maybe. Oh, these ones are busy eating. This one might be waiting for me to go away. Alright, I'll step back. Please go eat. Let's see. a little hungry, and it's raining, so why not? So I'll be keep coming back here around, and there's a lot of other spots too. I'll be driving around and just feeding the street cats. We gotta do something for these little pets there. And now it's the raining season here in Sydney, and it's getting hot as well, so we gotta look out for them. So enjoy your meal, guys. Till next time. Bye.